Sophia. So this, I was drawing, we're playing a game called Chalk House. And Dad draws his bed, like, in all of his room. And he, like, draws all of his stuff that's in his room. But come over here. Here he hasn't drawn anything, because this is his private place, where he does private stuff. Like he draws private stuff, or says who is his girlfriend, or... Okay, let's move on. Here's my mom's room. She is here right now. She's playing the piano. Could you hear her? So this is my mom's room. Here's her bed. You know, the bed that we sleep in. Here's a CD that she always listens to when she goes to sleep. And we'll be pretending that this TV has Tinkerbell on it. I got Tinkerbell. And here is my room. My room, here's my bed, and here's my glasses, here's my magazines. And we always have one of these. Do you know what these are? They are, well, the things that remind you which room is yours. So, like, we put one of these up, and it has your name on it, so you know which room is yours. So, and here's my private place. Right here. I didn't draw anything yet. Well, I just love drawing, and you know that. And it's cool. I just love doing it.
Thank you, Sophia.
You're welcome.